Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this Snappy Crocodile. To start off with, we'll cut 6 pieces of cardboard measuring about 18 centimetres by 2.5 centimetres, which is about the thickness of a ruler. Take some time to make sure the edges are not too bumpy, as the crocodile is going to work better if the edges are straight. Once all the cardboard is cut out, we can add some colour with green colour slicks or some paint or markers. I use the colour slicks because they aren't too messy and they dry really quickly. We'll add some detail with a black marker a little bit later on. Now we need to make the head. Draw a simple shape and make sure you include a line through the middle to separate the upper and lower jaw. Once you've finished, you can cut the head shape out and use a black marker to add some nostrils and scales. You can also add some scales to the body part now because it will be dry. Next, we'll need to make some teeth and a few spikes to add to the crocodile's back. Once you've cut these out, you can use a glue stick to attach them. Don't forget to glue on some eyes too. We use creature eyes, but if you don't have any, don't worry, you can just draw them on. Now it's time to put all of the pieces together. If you poke a hole through the cardboard with a pencil before you put the push pin in, it's going to make things a lot easier. Now that that's done, we can glue the head pieces onto the last 2 pieces of the body and add an extra strip of cardboard to the back to support the extra weight. Okay, that's it, we're done. I hope you have fun with your Snappy Croc. If you had fun making this, you can try making some other animals as well.